To set up your academic year calendar, school branding, and other miscellaneous settings, go to the Settings page under the Setup page on the navigation bar. The first section is where you customize your school branding, that is the name of school and the logo. This will come in handy when printing reports, certificates, letters, and other documents. Scroll down a bit to customize your academic year calendar. This includes calendar system, that is, semester or term, number of terms or semester, weekend days, semester details, that's starting date and ending date, number of cycles in the semester along with their details. Once you're done customizing, don't forget to save your settings before you navigate to another page. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you should see two cards. The first one, End of Year Student Promotion. As the name suggests, this is done only once at the end of the academic year to promote students in your students' global roster list, meaning those who were in grade 7, for instance, will be promoted to grade 8. Note that those who were in grade 12 will be tagged as graduated if you initiate the button. Be aware that this action cannot be undone. The other card at the bottom of the page is where you can reset your settings to default and to clear all app data. Please use this with caution as it cannot be undone either.